Before you go to your assignment, I want to point out some observations on the equations that we did during 15-1. So y equals 4 to the x. Here's the table. It's an exponential growth with the with the asymptote at 0. And I get it from there's nothing added on here. So then when we had the reciprocal, it became an exponential decay. And so it went that way. When we did -8, we translated the asymptote 8 units down, and it had the original graph. So this is a translate 8 units down, shift down 8 units. Okay, this one, I'd like you to pay attention to this table and this table. Let me see if I can get them both on this screen. Okay, so y equals 4 to the x and y equals 4 to the x minus 1. And I'm wanting to pay attention to this right here. And this is how you shift right and left. And this is a shift right 1. So my y-intercept actually scooted over to right there. This point, 0, 1 becomes 1, 1. And that means every point on this graph got shifted over 1 to the right. And I found a